8 things you should know about QuerySurge. Typical business intelligence application, you have data sources, your ETL layer, which extracts, transforms, and loads data from your source systems into your data warehouse. A business intelligence layer that helps you produce reports, scorecards, dashboards, and web and mobile equivalents. If you test only at this level, you are testing and building your BI system the slowest and most expensive way possible. We know this from history. The longer you wait to test and find defects, the more expensive they are to repair. So you need to balance between testing everything and testing in the optimal path. One of the things you can do is to do automated ETL testing to verify your source target mappings early in the process and not wait until you have built out your BI layer. Testing early in the process saves you time and money. Let's talk about an ETL testing tool you should know about. QuerySurge. Watch this quick video that shows you 8 things you should know about QuerySurge. The first thing you need to know about QuerySurge is that it is the only automated testing tool designed specifically for data warehouses. The second thing you need to know about QuerySurge is that it allows you to design, schedule, execute, and report on your automated data warehouse tests. Number 3, you should know that QuerySurge is organized into query pairs. Query pairs allow you to organize your tests into collecting data from your source data and your target data. Here you see the query against our sales database, and here you see the target query against our target system, the data warehouse. The fourth item on our list of things you should know about QuerySurge is that QuerySurge allows you to do design time runs. This will allow you to execute your source and target queries prior to putting them into a schedule or a scenario and having to execute them with a group of queries. It's quite a time saver, and as you can see, the results from a design time run show you source rows and target rows returned, as well as data failures and row differences. It will also give you some basic statistical information so that you know how long the queries take to run. And the fifth thing that you should know about QuerySurge is that QuerySurge provides a very easy visual interface for you to inspect the data that's returned from your query pairs. You can look at all the data returned from your source query, your target query, and if there are any differences, the failures are on the Failure tab, and they are visually highlighted so that you can easily inspect them and find defects. The number 6 item on our list is that QuerySurge allows you to organize your query pairs into test suites and to group test suites for execution into test scenarios. A test suite is a collection of query pairs. To create a test suite, it's a very simple matter of creating and naming a test suite and then dragging and dropping tests into the test suite window by either individual tests or entire folders. Tests can be easily removed, and the list can be edited until it contains exactly the tests you want. To schedule a scenario, you just simply need to name a new scenario run, pick a date for it to run. You can schedule it to run now or at any time in the future, and then add the test suites you wish to execute in that test run. The seventh thing you should know about QuerySurge is that once you save your scheduled scenario, it will be put on the schedule queue and it will run either immediately or at the time you specified. The Run dashboard shows the test as it's launched, allows you to view the status of each of the queries as they run, and to view query pair metrics in real time. Once the test is complete, you have the ability to then view test results. And you'll notice a very similar interface to the Design Run tab. It also gives you the ability to sort based on status so that you can easily go in and inspect failures. One addition here is that you not only have the stacked view of items and the differences, but you also have a side-by-side view with synchronized scroll bars so that you can look at all the columns of data in a different way. And finally, the 8th thing we would like you to know about QuerySurge is that QuerySurge has a very rich reporting interface. The Reporting Center contains a list of all the reports that are available, and as an example, you can see the kind of information that's available on a summary status report and a scenario detail report. So you can see some of the information you saw in the Design Run tabs, some of the information that you saw in the Run dashboard, and some other details that you can easily share by email, by exporting to a PDF file, and sending it off to people on your distribution list. As you can see from the 8 things you should know about QuerySurge, QuerySurge is a very powerful and easy to use tool for doing your automated ETL testing. It will save you time, increase your coverage, verify up to 100% of your data, find defects earlier in the development process, and provide regression testing for every release. It also allows you to scale up as data volumes increase, as QuerySurge uses its own database and can handle millions of rows returned in the datasets, as opposed to other automated testing tools that allow you to issue SQL queries. So, QuerySurge is the best tool for automated ETL testing. For more information on QuerySurge, contact us at Analytics8 by mail, by phone, by email. You can also go to our website at www.analytics8.com for more information on what we do. Thank you for watching our video series on 8 things you should know about QuerySurge. Have a great day.